Dave here with friend Lorraine. Oh my God. You're not going to believe what happened to me today. Oh my God. Oh my God. So you all know the infamous mail I got the other day, everybody? I've got another letter. I have yet to open it, but there's an ominous hair taped to the back of it. Oh! I got carried. So, what the hell? I'm gonna open it right here. There's a letter and a penny. What does it say? What the hell? It says, oh my God. It says this. It says, now you've got your money and some more, love. I don't know. So somebody saw me say I didn't get any money on Gay Today, and they sent me a fucking penny.